I'm out by the camper today and we're going to be taking a look at this VEVOR battery box for that giant lithium battery behind me. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the package, demo this for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video, however, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. It does look like this is going to require a little bit of assembly. The box comes in not assembled. You do have hardware to put it together, but you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. They do include a wrench, but not a screwdriver or an Allen key. There's also 2 locks included with this, as well as additional hardware. And then there are various seals that go on the outside of the box. It is very easy to assemble. It's just a little bit tedious. So this will fit a large battery. This one is a 12.8 volt, 100 amp hour lithium battery. You can get a knife and you can cut this, and then you can power things, keeping the battery in the box. These handles are incredibly sturdy and they snap back into place. If you are looking for a sturdy battery box for your boat or your RV or any other setup, this is a really great option from VEVOR. The lid does not fit quite right, but it's on there good enough, and it does latch, and you can put the locks on there. Now I could probably loosen these screws and wiggle them over just a little bit, but I'm not going to do that right now.